Smile for the camera.
Sydney, you're recording.
I know I am. Hi, Mom.
Hello.
Mom just got home. I was back because I was really, really hungry.
We're really, really hungry.
See, I had a cinnamon bagel.
Dang, John.
I can burp whenever I want.
Patrick, you do know this is going on YouTube.
We're having a burping contest, okay?
Whatever.
You guys scared Mrs. Steele's old She's on the phone, isn't she? Okay, guys, that's enough.
That's us burping. I didn't burp. Now you have to put the word burp in the title. Wait, no. Put the title name. Peanut butter die.
I'll be false advertising.